What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. Currently, we're sitting at 20 cents. We're up 7% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 1.41 billion. 24-hour volume, 411 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's Gala on the 4-hour time frame. Major support in between about 20 cents and 17 cents. You can see all the support in this area, and that's where we are seeing a bounce. Beautiful bullish divergence signifying to us that the bears are running out of strength. So your resistance to watch, 21 cents. See all the support in this area will now be flipped as resistance where these wicks came up to as well. And then your next major level, 24 cents and 27 cents, in my opinion. Definitely could see a nice push here. If the RSI pushes all the way back up to overbought, I would expect you at least to come up to 21 cents and quite possibly 24 cents as money is flowing back in to Gala Games. Now, if it were to roll over here, just watch for a double bottom pattern. If we come down, we can create a double bottom. If it were to go a little bit lower, I would watch these wick lows. But as of right now, this bullish divergence is playing out. So even if we make a lower low, you'll see a higher low on the RSI, which will lead to a push back to the upside. But as of right now, it looks like we're seeing a little bit of volume. Let's pop over to the 1-hour time frame and see what we can see here on the hourly. Just quickly take out these lines. Yeah, so we're getting pretty close to overbought on the 1-hour time frame, and you usually do see some consolidation or a move back down. As you can see right here, we're overbought. We saw a move back down. I'll give you another example right here. Overbought, double top, move back down. So either you'll see consolidation or a move back down. If we do come back down, there is also support coming in at this swing low at about 19 cents, 0.189. Could definitely act as support here for Gala. Let me just quickly drop in a line so everything is more visible. And if we scroll back, let's see if we have some support resistance. Yeah, so it looks like we have a little bit of resistance around that level as well. So if we do pull back, you could see a bounce off that line here. And then if we simply consolidate and push higher, just watch 21 cents as your next level of resistance, and then 24 cents. If we pop over to our next chart on the daily time frame, I've been talking about this massive symmetrical triangle pattern. We had a fake out to the upside. We rolled over. The previous level of resistance has now been turned into support. Looks like a little bit of a bullish divergence starting to form on the daily. We created a lower low, higher low on the RSI, signifying that the bears are running out of strength. These can take time to play out on the daily time frame, but there's resistance coming in along the 20 EMA, which is also coming in right around that 21 cent mark. So do watch for that as well. I did mention that descending triangle for Gala we have broken down. So if we come up, we hit the 20 EMA as resistance, and we begin to roll over. The technical target is about 13 cents, 0.129. However, the money flow is very, very low, and that is usually when you do see a bounce back to the upside. We haven't been this low for quite some time. I don't have enough information on Gala here, but as you can see right here on the RSI, the money flow was low. I mean, as you can see here on the money flow, it was very low. We saw a bounce back to the upside right here, was very low, massive bounce back to the upside. And now we're even lower than we were back here. So that could be an early signal of a nice push back to the upside. Now we do have this descending triangle, but I also notice a falling wedge pattern. If we take this descending trend line of support, let me pull this line out quickly. Oh, this line is in the way. Okay, perfect. You can see here we are creating a falling wedge. So if we push up and you see it start to hit resistance, we begin to roll. We may come down and find support right around 18 cents and then push up and hopefully break out of this falling wedge bullish reversal pattern and see a massive breakout. However, if we were to come up and get rejected, we roll over and we lose the falling wedge pattern. That's when we can come all the way back down to about 13 cents. But as of right now, we are seeing a little bit of a bounce from this level. The money flow is quite low. So I definitely think if we can get back above the 20 EMA, we could see a nice push up to about 24 cents. With our dollar cost average strategy, we've had 2 entries so far, with our break even sitting at about 24 cents, equal amounts at each buy zone. As a spot trader, brings your average price down halfway each time. You get ready to ride the slingshot back up. I also provide trade signals in the Discord. We just made some incredible profits on our trade for, let me scroll down here, on our trade for Sandbox. We came all the way up and hit our second take profit zone. And a few of our other long positions are very close to their first take profit levels. $10 a month for the trade signals. Everything else, including the DCA strategy, is coming in at $350 USD. You can sign up through the Patreon. So your resistance to watch on the daily time frame, in my opinion, major level at about 21 cents, where the 20 EMA is coming in, as well as the previous support now flipped as resistance of this descending triangle. So that will be a major test for Gala Games. If we break back above it, then we could definitely see a push back up to about 23, almost about 24 cents. Yeah, about 24 cents, which is the top of our falling wedge pattern. And on the smaller time frames, the 4-hour chart, bullish divergence. So definitely could see a nice push up to 21 cents. If we can break back above the 55 EMA, if we were to get rejected here and come back down, watch for support right around 19 cents. Could give a good opportunity to bounce, or we come down, we create that double bottom and could see a big breakout back to the upside. If this bullish divergence fully plays out and we do head up to overbought, I would expect us to at least come to 21 cents. So we break that, we hold it as support. Your next major level of resistance, in my opinion, up here at 0.244 for Gala. That is it for this one. Shout out to the Discord. The trade signal is $10 a month. We have the buy and take profit zones if you'd like to start dollar cost averaging based off support, resistance, Fibonacci. The DCA charts for the dollar cost average positions here on the YouTube channel. And then we have over 1,800 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. $350 USD for access to the Discord and $10 a month for the trade signals. Sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.